keep in mind that during the 1820s and the 1830s, the United States had no good harbor on the Pacific coast. San Diego and San Francisco were first Spanish outposts and then later part of Mexico. The shoreline of Oregon offers few good harbors, and the mouth of the Columbia, where the Columbia empties into the Pacific Ocean, that region was notorious for interfering with attempts to travel from the river to the ocean or from the ocean into the Columbia. Until the conclusion of war with Mexico in 1848, the U.S. regarded Puget Sound as the best protected deepwater harbor on the Pacific coast. And so the boundary dispute then between these two nations essentially comes down to Puget Sound and the area of land, the region between the Columbia River and the 49th parallel. So if we look again at this map, Britain was prepared to concede to the United States everything to the south and east of the Columbia River. Britain hoped to maintain this region right here, present-day Western Washington, everything north and west of the Columbia and south of the 49th parallel, including Puget Sound. Americans, for their part, desired the same area and wanted the border between the two nations to run along the 49th parallel all the way to the ocean.